Okay, before I go to the gym, I gotta say this. Okay, so here's how it's gonna go. Okay, straight up, for this channel, JYK's EDC and knife, EDC knife and survival kit. Okay? How about JYK? Anything that has to do with, that'll help me with hiking and all that, which, like say bushcraft cord, right? The Grimm bushcraft cord. The Grimm workshop cards could actually, really do help. Like, the subscription does help with, me building a kit for hiking and all that. If it's, music, fitness, potpourri, Ace of Kings / JYK official. Anyway, on to this one. JYK's EDC knife. Okay? I have an idea. Because I was thinking about what, video ideas in the vehicle yesterday. Because, why not, right? I was thinking, okay, could I do a do-all? This is actually a challenge for me. And wait a minute. Could I do a do-all survival card? Kit? Reason it's hard for me, because it would always be changing, okay, because I get the Grimm Workshop subscription. So it's okay, I think this would be better than this, blah, blah. It's always going to be changing. That's why it's going to be challenging. I also, I've been thinking about this for a while. And, yeah. I was, I could do a do-all, meaning both environments. Then I could do a urban, suburban, then a woodland one. Just so I can have a kit with me that's pocket fit. Pocket style kits, right? I would not be doing and I don't have my wallet with me because that's in it. The little 10-in-1, which I say 10-in-1 because, let's get well here, you're not going to use the lanyard hole as a tool. That's not a tool. It's a lanyard hole. It's an accessory, not a tool. But yeah. The common sense part of it will be, okay, if I'm going to carry the do-all, the do-all is going to be, okay, if I have to abandon their vehicle and walk to my aunt's house, right? Or what have you. I have gear with me, This depends on where I am, by the way. And how, So, that's my challenge for this one. Obviously, bushcraft cord would be the obvious one, honestly. Because knife, you can, sutures, you can use for any environment. I also have the Ready Man survival kit, which is the wilderness survival cord, the fisherman survival cord, the hostage and escape cord, and the medical cord. Which, honestly, yeah. I think I know exactly what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get another one of that card from Amazon, so I can use one and have 3 for backup. So yeah. The PS Kook I showed you last month, I think. So it has the basic 4 chords and then the 2 separate chords with the low and all that. Now, when I think do all environments, I would think the Ready Man cards, because they have okay, honestly, the woodland you could use for more. You use for more than anything, because it has I think. Wait, which one has snare triggers? Snare triggers could be used anywhere. Honestly. Urban environment. Those rats, those squirrels, right? So that is a do all, right? All environment. When I say do all environment. So, could I do that? And could I? Right? Could I? I'll have paracord. I can go. Right now, I think if they still have it, I can go to Dollar Tree and get just some paracord, just to have some cheapo paracord I can just use for So, could I? We shall see. Anyway, peace.